Hey Eitan, welcome back to my channel. Today in the kitchen, I have my literary agent and friend Sabrina Tights in the kitchen.
Hello.
Hello.
We can hug over the baby.
Very pregnant. We'll hug over the baby. We're making nachos today.
We're making nachos today.
Now Sabrina works on a lot of cookbooks, but doesn't cook from them.
I'm not great at that. That's not a skill set that I possess.
Well, today it's gonna be. I have given you everything you've requested for you to make your own nachos for me. You're gonna make your best nachos. So the kitchen's your oyster, you can use whatever you need, and then you can just make me some nachos, then I'll make you my best nachos.
Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is chop up the onion.
No, that's good.
This is how you cut onions, right?
Honestly, I've seen worse ways of chopping an onion.
Relax, I'm a trained professional.
I've never seen this technique before.
Okay, so I've cut the onions. This is an herb.
Yes.
This is parsley.
No.
This is cilantro.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna chop it up. Oh no, I have to like de-stem it. This is fine. This is how this is supposed to go.
Yeah.
This is great, and I'm doing a great job.
You are.
Now I can really tear things up a
Yeah,
little
I'll
bit.
join you.
Isn't that how they use it at like the place?
Yeah, sure. Do you want to start your queso sauce?
I hear from the tone of your voice that I should be starting my queso sauce. I know that you burn things if you put in the cheese first. So I need to put in the butter.
That is correct.
I've never really had queso before.
Oh, well, then you won't know if you do it wrong.
This is working and I'm having a great time.
Good.
This is how you make queso. This doesn't look right.
I would agree with that statement. And you know, maybe you don't have to, I mean, you know.
And I will conquer this, just like I conquer all things.
Yes. Sabrina's queso.
Okay, so here we go. Now we have the chips.
Yes. Go. Whoa!
Oh, hello.
That looks good.
I'm gonna put some beans on.
Beans. I like beans.
Who doesn't like beans?
Bean man.
I'm gonna have like one corner be the salsa corner.
Oh.
Like olives, I don't like olives. So, and then here's some sour cream. That's
Got it.
another thing I'm not really interested in.
Got it. Well, there you can stay on this half.
This is great.
There you
and
go.
I've done a fantastic job.
All right, this honestly looks really good. I'm very excited. I think I'm gonna go for this chip because there's a lot of queso on it.
Okay, amazing. I'm gonna hang out over here with the salsa.
I'm thrilled.
Okay.
Little
ready?
cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's good.
Did I make it the right way?
Not even a little bit, but it's still good.
Okay. Great.
Rachel, would you like to try it? We have kept Miss Pregnant Sabrina at a safe 6 feet away from anyone else who's not masked other than me, who's been tested and everything.
Respect for Chef Sabrina.
Yes.
Let's try these.
I'm gonna dive right in. I'm going for the olive section.
And I will be going for the sour cream section.
I love that runway vibe of just having the olives down the middle. That's
Make sure you get some queso, it's good.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Oh my God, really?
oh yeah. I'll eat the hell out of this.
Right?
Sabrina, I'm not your second chef.
Yeah.
Wow.
A devotion.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Thank you.
We're gonna do a little reset and then I'm going to teach you how I make my best nachos. While we're cleaning, just a little friendly reminder, if you have not already, be sure to pre-order my debut cookbook. Eitan Eats the World is available for pre-order now everywhere books are sold, like Amazon, like Barnes & Noble, like Books A Million, and all the links are on eitaneatstheworld.com. There's 85 of my favorite comfort food recipes that I cannot wait to share from my kitchen to yours, so if you haven't already pre-ordered, highly recommend. Are you ready to start cooking?
I'm so ready.
All right, so I'm going to be making a charred poblano queso sauce.
Wait, you can just put that straight on the stove?
Yes, we're gonna just char it up.
Wait, a ton.
We want to like build lots of like flavor and like that kind of smokiness.
Okay. It's very charred.
Very charred. We are now going to actually place it back into the bag it came from.
Wait, what?
Yep, and we are just going to give a little twist and we're just going to tie that up and we are now just going to let it steam for about 5 minutes and that is going to help us remove that charred skin. All right, so now that we have our poblanos that we have taken the skin off of and taken out the inside seeds, we're going to make a cream sauce. So we're going to pour heavy cream over the peppers.
Okay.
We are also going to add in our garlic. So we're basically making like a reduced cream sauce that we're then gonna like turn into queso.
Okay, cool.
Then we're gonna add in our cumin straight into here and our salt right in there. And we are just going to bring this to a little simmer and we're going to reduce this for about 10 minutes.
Amazing.
We're now going to start sauteing our jalapenos and our onion in another pot. We're just going to, do things at once. We're a multitasking chef. Get those in there.
That feels wrong.
What about
You
it?
can do two things at once.
Yes, well,
Can we
yeah.
use the same spatula?
I'm gonna use this spatula, and we're just gonna lower that flame, and we're just going to kind of sweat these down, cook them down, while this is thickening.
So now what?
We're just chilling. It's a fun part of cooking, you just like relax.
I don't feel really relaxed.
Yeah. Little Salt Bay action. We're gonna blend this up.
But it's
So-
hot.
Yes, well, okay. We'll be careful.
You can put hot stuff in a blender?
If you're careful. I don't recommend it, but if you're careful. Cilantro,
Right, I've seen that
right
before.
into there, yes. And let's blend it up. This is gonna be green queso.
But where's the cheese?
It's coming. It's on its way.
Okay, is it that cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm now just going to pour our blended up mixture straight into there. So we're gonna have some like chunky pieces of pepper with that jalapeno, and then we're gonna also have blended up. So it's gonna be like lots of flavor.
Would it love that?
Flavor is key.
Flavor is key, flavor. Oh, the baby is really enjoying this.
Oh, I'm happy
The
to hear.
baby.
Anything that makes the baby happy. Now we're gonna use two cheeses. We're gonna use some white American cheese,
Okay,
and we're gonna use some of our Colby Jack cheese. The mixture has now come to a simmer.
it's getting thicker.
It's getting thicker, so now we're gonna start adding in the cheese. So we're gonna start with our American. You can just keep on mixing, and it's gonna start to thicken.
Can you do like a little bit more salt bang when you enter?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, that's dangerous. The baby got hungry, I had to help.
The baby was hungry. The baby's pissed at you.
Sorry, baby. Yeah, great. All right, now we're gonna start adding in our next cheese. We're just gonna keep on stirring, then more. Stirring, then more.
Okay.
And more cheese. And more cheese.
Oh my God, amazing.
Lots of cheese. It's looking good. We're gonna now season with a little bit of garlic powder. So we have the garlic in the thing that we pureed, and then also at the end, so it's kind of like a double whammy garlic action flavor combination battle position.
What do you think about jarred garlic?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
We have thickened our sauce, and look at that cheesiness.
Oh my God, I want it so
Like
badly.
that. Now, it is time to make our protein, which is our jackfruit.
Okay.
You ever had jackfruit?
No.
So jackfruit, it is a fruit, but we're gonna make it basically like real protein. So we're just going to take our jackfruit, we're going to place it into our pan. So jackfruit doesn't really have a lot of flavor on its own.
Okay.
It's a little boring. So
Okay.
if you want to grab our chilies, we just kind of toasted these chilies doing ancho and guajillo chilies straight into the blender. We're gonna make a very flavorful marinade.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Right, so we're gonna add in a whole lot of garlic.
Okay.
Basically with jackfruit, it's like you gotta kind of like put a mask over it.
Okay.
It's like it has the great texture, but it needs a little help on the flavor side.
Okay.
So we're trying to add like lots of umami. We're gonna add in some coriander seed right in there. We're gonna add a little bit of brown sugar right in
Ooh.
there. We're gonna add in a little bit of soy sauce right in there.
That's a lot of soy
and
sauce.
quite a bit. And then do you know what this is?
That's a pepper.
Nope.
Miso?
Well, in the right direction, yeah.
I don't know.
It is Vegemite.
No,
Yes.
I could have gotten there.
There we go. Let's add that in there. Then we're gonna add in some freshly squeezed OJ.
What?
Yeah. Great for,
Vitamin C, baby.
wait, mimosas and marinades. Cilantro.
With all the stems?
Yep. Flavor.
Okay.
Blend it up. Do you want to do the honors?
No.
Okay. I like the honesty.
Oh my God. It's so violent.
Look at that. Camera, give it a whiff. Smells good. We're gonna take our flavor-packed marinade and we're just gonna pour it on there. Ooh, look at that.
Why did you give me such a small spatula? Do
See, everyone asks me those questions. I'm the small
you think I'm
spatula
not
man.
capable? It really looks like meat though.
Right? That's the goal.
What do you think of my spatula technique?
It's doing it. We're gonna now take our sauce and we are just going to just slather it. And we're gonna try to do an even distribution.
Yeah, show me how you're doing that because I was not capable.
So instead of pouring it in one area, multiple.
But like I tried to do that.
No.
How is it working for you?
think
You know,
in
I think
smaller
you're moving the
quantities.
spatula faster.
Yes. You want to do, speed is the key.
I think I should stick to
All right,
salad
ready?
books.
I'm gonna just start plopping it down. Here we
Oh
go.
wow.
So a little fun fact about this is it's good.
Plop.
Plop, plop, plop,
I love the even distribution.
plop all day. Okay, now we're gonna grab pico de gallo. pico de gallo
So
all over the top, right? Look at the
good.
color.
That's gorgeous.
We're now just going to top it with our little slaw. 1 second, we have to get the... Wow.
Amazing save.
Eitan's nachos!
Yay!
All
These
right.
look so much better than mine.
Thank you.
Like, I appreciate you humoring me, but like, this is a much better
Here
situation.
we go. So wait, you want to try to get a little bit of everything?
No, I just want the cheese.
Okay, fine.
Oh my god.
Right?
Okay, that's so much better. I cannot believe this cheese.
Right? Oh, there's cheese. Peter's
It's
not
so
quaking.
good.
Or they are.
They're fine.
They're good.
I don't really know what they're
They're busy.
at these days.
They're booked and busy. But you know, you have the cheese, you have the meatiness from the jackfruit, you have the fresh veg. It's all coming together.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Comment down below who you think won the competition. Subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell notification if you want to be notified every time I post a video. And pre-order my debut cookbook, Eitan Eats the World.
Please.
Pre-order on everywhere books are sold and on eataneatstheworld.com. Highly recommend. If you enjoy this, you'll enjoy the book as well. Is your baby gonna buy the book?